Club Factory Seller, is Club Factory available in Canada? Club Factory Seller refers to individuals or businesses that sell products on Club Factory, an e-commerce platform that originated in China. Club Factory primarily focused on offering a wide variety of affordable products, such as fashion, electronics, home goods, and more. The platform gained popularity for its low prices, free shipping, and direct sourcing from manufacturers. Key aspects of Club Factory Sellers: 1. Global reach. Sellers on Club Factory often came from regions like China, India, and Southeast Asia, providing access to international markets. 2. Low-cost products. The platform allowed sellers to offer products at competitive prices by reducing middlemen and shipping directly from factories. 3. No commission model. Unlike many e-commerce platforms, Club Factory initially promoted a commission-free model for sellers, which attracted many small businesses and independent sellers. 4. Seller tools. Club Factory provided sellers with tools for inventory management, order processing, customer communication, analytics for sales performance. 5. Logistics support. The platform offered end-to-end logistics services, including warehousing, packaging, and shipping. Challenges and changes, bans and restrictions. In 2020, Club Factory faced challenges, especially in India, due to the government's ban on Chinese apps for security concerns. This significantly affected sellers who depended on the platform. Competition. Intense competition from platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, and AliExpress reduced Club Factory's market share. While Club Factory provided an opportunity for sellers to reach a global audience, its popularity declined due to geopolitical factors and competition.